You want to create conversational AI chatbots so you can install them to your client's website, help them get more leads, get more sales, so that they can pay you a one time setup fee as well as a recurring revenue. That's exactly what I'm going to show you in this particular video. In this video, I'm going to show you we're going to go inside AI agents. I'm going to create this AI agent bot here with multiple step of setup. Apart from that, we are going to then deploy it inside an AI Studio website that I've already created inside AI Studio. Not just that, we are going to go inside this AI chatbot and have a real conversation with this chat in order for it to see whether it can ask question and reply me with the answers that I'm looking for. Then I'm going to use that particular details and see whether we can have this inside our CRM as a complete conversation. All of this is going to get covered inside the tutorial, so make sure you watch this particular video till the end. And this is available on the high level AI setup. So if you aren't using high level yet, click on the link, get a 30-day free trial, and enjoy this particular video to set up for your clients. All right, folks, so we're going to do this step by step on how to create AI chatbots, conversational AI chatbots inside high level, and then deploy it inside your websites. All right, the first things first, we're going to click on AI agents. Do you see that? It's right under AI Studio and right above marketing. So we're going to click on that. And this is pretty much the entire landing page the high level creates. It's a pretty decent landing page that you can also use in order to convince people as to why they should buy your particular chatbot in order to get leads, qualify people, book appointments, and all of that stuff. Amazing stuff out there. Okay. So we're going to click here on conversational AI because we are creating now a conversational AI chatbot for our website. So we're going to click on conversational AI. And when we click on conversation AI, we are going to click on create a bot on the right hand side here. So you're going to click on create a bot. And here there are different kinds of bots. For example, we have a form setup, we have a prompt based bot, and we have a flow builder bot. But we are now going to use the basic, simple, yet very easy to install, which is the guided form setup bot. I'm going to click on create a new bot here. And there are two options here. You can create a Q&A bot or you can create an appointment booking bot. For this particular video, we're going to create a Q&A bot. So we're going to click on continue here. And as you can see, there's already a bot here, but I'm going to click on create a new brand voice and let's click there. And here are the details that I'm going to get started with. The first thing what we need is the brand voice, which is basically the details about the particular brand. Then we need the bot setting, which is the second one here. And then we're going to focus on the bot goals. So once we complete this, we're going to deploy it to our website. All right. The first thing is brand name. So I've already had a few details here. So I'm going to quickly do that. I'm going to click on add this particular name, which is Lumina Home Cleaning, and this is going to be, let's say, one. I'm going to add a website. So I already had built a very beautiful, neat, cleaning premium website for home services. You can look at it. This is pretty cool. By the way, people who sign up with the 30-day free trial, which is the software that I'm working on, this people are going to get all of this for absolutely free with a risk-free 30-day free trial, as well as you're also going to get a live bootcamp by High Level itself. The link should be in the description box as well as in the comment section. Go ahead, check it out, and have a risk-free 30-day free trial. Explore all these possibilities and grow your agency with High Level. And guess what? You also get a private community support and one-on-one Zoom sessions with me over my community. But all these people are reserved for those people who want to get started with High Level with my affiliate link. But yeah, for others, you can watch these videos for absolutely free. And let me know in the comment section if you have any other questions. I'll be happy to answer them as well. All right. So I'll click on preview here, basically the URL here, and then I'm going to go here and then add the company website. It's just a preview URL, which is an AI Studio generated website that I created for my this particular video, and that's pretty much what I'm adding here. Company email could be literally anything, so I'm just going to add something like Lumina at luminahomeclinic.com. So that's one. Let's add a simple address. So let me add an address here. So yeah, these are all demo addresses, so you can add anything you want. Let's add this one for the number. Business hours could be Monday to Sunday, 8 a.m. to 6 p.m. All right. And here we're going to keep it confident. All right. So this is the brand info, brand name, company website, company email, company address, phone number, business hours, and tone of voice. And there's only two things that are compulsory to add, which is the brand name. And the second one is the tone of voice. All right. So that's pretty much done. I'm going to click on save and then next. Right, click on next. We have bot setting. Here we're going to add different kinds of bot details, which is your bot name, right, which is your preferred channels, bot initial message, as well as the wait time before responding. So let's add this particular bot name, right? So we could just add it as Lumina Home Cleaning Bot 1. So let's add Lumina Home Cleaning Bot 1. right? And here are different channels that you could use. You could use Instagram, Facebook, SMS, chat widget, SMS, live chat, WhatsApp, email ID, right? But for this particular one, since we're going to install this on our website, we are going to use live chat. So let's untick the other ones and let's keep the live chat. This makes sure that we can only use it on our live chat. All right. So you can make this as a primary bot. Only the primary bot will reply to the inbound messages. Make sure your preferred channels are assigned to the bot. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click this on, and then there's an initial message that I can add here, which could be uh, specific details. For example, let me add it. Hi, my name is Lumina or Lumi. Okay, let's write this Lumi one. I think Lumi one sounds even better. My name is Ini. I am here to help you with home clinic service. All right, so this is what you can do. Wait time for responding 2 seconds is fine because we want to make it natural, not really AI generated kind of thing. So then we're going to click on next here. And then here are some of the information that it needs to collect. For example, what kind of information would you like to collect when you add this and deploy this over your website or landing page, right? You can collect your name, email, phone number, street address, city, literally all of that, but just keep it for name and email. I think that should be good. Next thing that it describes is describe the question or objective, asks the username, so their full name, asks the email or the best email, and then add any question if you want. You can add any questions. Skip if already filled. If the bot already if the lead comes again, you can skip it. But yeah, let's keep it there. Appointment, you can click on an appointment. You can receive email notification. You can enable conversation summary. So whatever conversation you had, you can add it to a summary. All right, this is pretty much it that we need to do here. And then we're gonna click on save and proceed to the next one. Here you could also test your bot. So bot created successfully. This Lumi one is now turned off by default, and you have to turn this on autopilot mode. All right, but you can also test your bot here. For example, if I say hi, the AI bot answers, "Hi, my name is Lumi. I'm here to help you with home cleaning services. Let's get started. What's your full name?" So if I say John Doe, so John Doe is going to go there. Thanks, John. What's your email? It's john@johndoe.com. Perfect, right? So we send an email, it's gonna wait for 2 seconds and then it's gonna type back. Thanks for sharing your name, email. John, is there anything specific you'd like to know and talk regarding home cleaning services? Yes, what kind of services you guys offer? And then it's gonna give all the details here. Great question, John. Alumina one, we handle a wide range of home cleaning services, everything from regular maintenance, cleaning to deep cleaning. All right. Okay, perfect. So this is done. I'm going to click on save and close. And as you can see, Lumi 1 is now our primary bot here. So the next thing we can do once we have the primary bot here, we are going to go to our website, right? Which is the site section here. Do you see that? And then we're going to go to chat widget on the right. So we're going to click on chat widget and we're going to click a new one. And this is going to be a live chat widget. And let's name this as Lumi 1. All right. Right. So the other things that we need to do. Okay, so here are some of the settings that you could change if you want to in order to make it much more personalized. So for example, style, stay fixed in a page of the corner, embed line, this is fine. Appearance, we could make it of different color tone. So let's say the icon could be just this, right? And we could make this a bit yellow because our website here is slightly yellowish. So that's fine. We have a question, chat with us here, and a custom greeting, that's fine. And then widget customization. We could position this towards the right, towards the top left, towards the bottom left, in the middle, towards the top right, and towards the middle. Auto is fine. Let's make it towards the left. This is fine. You can also replace this particular image. I've seen this image literally on every website. So yeah, make sure you replace that when you're trying to add it to your own website or your own client website. Let's click on chat widget here. And this is nice. Phone number, title and intro. Have a question. This is fine. Perfect. Live chat assistance. This is also fine. Live chat closed. Perfect. Additional option. Perfect. Now, do understand the fact that here in the URL, we will need to add a company website. So let's copy this particular website URL and let's add it here. Perfect. Now, what I'm going to do is I now will be able to, let's close this. save this. Yeah. Once you save this particular uh, chat, you're gonna click on get code, right? So it's gonna give you the code that you need to add. Now let me quickly show you to you. Copy the particular code here. Just copy it. Now let me quickly go back. All right. Now I'm going to go to AI Studio where we created this kind of premium website inside HighLevel. So yeah, that's pretty much what you're looking for. This is one of the websites here. And by the way, all of this is generated by AI Studio. Let me quickly show you that and just look at the premium quality website that we are trying to produce to the high level. This looks absolutely stunning. And guess what? We're going to add this particular chat widget for Q&A on this particular website. All right. So I'm going to add this particular code and I'm going to write, please add this chat widget to all the pages of this website. And that's pretty much it. I'm going to enter this and this is going to work really well. So as you can see, this is a premium website. Again, everybody who is part of my affiliate program gets this particular website for free. All you need to do is sign up with my high level 30-day affiliate link and get more than $10,000 of affiliate bonus for absolutely free. Includes hundreds of these kind of websites, landing pages, all kinds of snapshot for specific business type that you're currently working on, private community as well as a one-on-one consultation call with a weekly live Q&A sessions and a private community to answer all your questions that you might have. All of this is going to get covered and for free. The only thing you do is sign up with high level of with our affiliate link and get a 30-day risk-free trial. You can leave whenever you want within 30 days and you won't be charged. Crazy good, isn't it? So yeah, and that's pretty much about it. And let's wait for it. So it's formatting a helpful response. Is going to add it to the particular website, and then we are going to be able to use this to generate queries. And I will also show you as to when the website generates all these queries. This gets added to a particular section, like in contact section, all of that, right? So that is something that you could do, and that really works really well. So yeah, just wait for some time in order to get that added. Come back and let me show you too as to what exactly I did. So it added the particular script here and it was able to add this particular lead connector chat widget script, right? And as you can see now, you have on the right hand side this beautiful chat widget, right? Open this up onto a preview URL and show it to you as to how this exactly looks. And as you can see, on the right hand side, you already have this, right? You can go to any other page and you'll still have this particular chat widget perfectly fine. By the way, all of this was created by me inside HighLevel's AI Studio. All right, let's go to the home page and let's try to have a quick chat with our chatbot. All right. Enter your question below and we'll get back to you. Hey, right? Let's get that out. Give us a minute to assist you, the best person to help you out. Perfect. Let me see exactly what it comes up with. My name is Lumi. I am here to help you with home service cleaning. Guess what is the full name? It's Pritam Bhadra. Let's type that down. Perfect. So while I explore the entire site, I will be able to chat with it. I probably should be able to go to other pages as well without this being discontinued, which is a plus point. Because I see whenever I try to swap pages, go to somewhere else, try navigating and all of that stuff, it doesn't really work out for me. And that's a big issue there. Thanks, Pritam. What's the best email ID? It's Pritam at pritamhadra.com. So yeah, this is pretty nice. Let's see exactly what it comes up with. So it's basically going to ask you a few details, which is name, email, and then you can have some conversation with it. So it's already asked me name, email. You'd like to know if you need help with regarding home cleanings. Yes. What kinds of services you provide. So we're going to go through all of that as well. So it's going to wait for like 2 seconds and then it's going to draft a response. So we handle home cleaning services, think regular cleaning, deep cleaning, move in out cleaning, special add-ons like fridge, oven cleaning, all of that. Yes. Do you guys provide window window cleaning services? I guess that's not included. Let me see. Thanks, Pritam. Yes, we do offer window cleaning as part of our add-on services. If you need interior window cleaning, just let me know. Read a book, or if you want more details about it, how it works. Anything else you want? Yes. Yes. Can you please reach out over call for booking? Even though the bot is not ready for booking, so it won't be able to ask question and book it. But let's see what answer it gives. I appreciate your interest. I can't help with booking requirements because again, it's not built for booking as of now, so it's fine. How may call if you like to answer questions? Yeah, so it's a Q&A bot, right? So we can ask him for what's your usual book time? Thanks, Pritam. Our usual work time are Monday through Sunday from 8 a.m. to 6 p.m. All good. Thanks. Right. So that's how you basically add a chat widget, and this does the job, right? It's very neat, clean, added to a website. Feels really, really good. Now let me quickly show it to you as to where exactly you can find all of this. So since we've already added it to, it's connected to the CRM, it will automatically pop up into the contact section, and you will be able to see this inside the high level. So you can see it's already here, which is Pritam Bhadra, and it should populate everything. So this is the owner, this is the details, and you can see the entire chat here. My name is Lumi, Pritam, thanks, email ID, phone number, all of that. Like the entire conversation gets added here, and that's how you could set up a high-level AI chatbot for Q&A on your website. Hey, wait, are you somebody who wants to learn high level from scratch? Whether you are starting with high level and have no clue as to how you want to use this platform in order to grow your business, or somebody who's already been using high level for a while but is looking for mentorship, training, and coaching surrounded by community members which can help you grow, then High Level Lab is the perfect solution for your business. This is a private community designed by me based on my 5 years of experience with high level and 7 years of combined experience into the marketing space. However, the high level lab is free only for now. As you can see, after 500 members, I'm going to make this community paid. This is a one stop solution for you to get everything that you are looking for as a beginner, as well as somebody who's already started using high level. Whether you're looking for free training, client acquisition strategies, automation workflow tutorials, or premium snapshot which you can import in your high level account in order to grow, this is the exact solution and exact community. I will have the link in the description box as well as in the comment section. Make sure you click on it and get access to the high level lab community.
I want to give a little shout out to Pritam and his team. They designed a funnel for us, did an excellent job. We found Pritam on Facebook. I saw a lot of the stuff he posts in the Go High Level group there, and really nice, just quality stuff. And so we figured we'd give him a shot, let him work on our stuff, and he did a great job. Excellent. He really knows the flow of a funnel, and he knows a little bit about sales, and you can tell he integrates sales and stuff into the funnel flow, and it looks great. We've already been getting sales off of the one he made for us. We've done paid him to do another group of funnels for us, and once he completes this one, we're planning on having him redesign our website and even another funnel along with that. So I highly recommend Pritam. Great communication when it comes to any needs, or there's a couple times we reached out to him just explaining that our niche is, the wording for our niche is a little different, and he would gladly try and change things to be better, communication wise with our niche. And so he's worked with us really well, great communication, and I highly recommend him. If anybody has any questions about Pritam and would like to reach out, we'd be glad to answer them. So thank you, Pritam. Appreciate all y'all are doing.